Public Defender's Office.
Good morning, this is Nicole Yachu. I'm calling to see who's been assigned to my case, as Judge Golden thinks that assigning your entire defender's office is legal, and my understanding of the law is you have a right to an attorney, or one will be assigned to you.
You do have the right to an attorney. You are assigned to the office at the moment.
Okay, well,
we're
I'm not
currently waiting on a specific attorney.
right, and I've asked.
This application to only cover city court.
Okay,
we're
and
just waiting on him at the moment.
Okay, well, I don't understand why I have 4 court adjournments now, which he thinks I'm going to pay, the court fees for. I've already asked the public defender who was there yesterday if I have the right to file a poor people's fee waiver. I will be asking for that, as I am on SSDI and food stamps. So, can you guys help me file that?
I don't think that's something that we file. I'm not sure.
Well, I need help with it because I have the paper, but I don't understand everything. And seeing as how it's my right to public defense, I believe that's under my rights for legal counsel, because that's my money. That's part of legalities, is the money.
No, I understand. Like I said, the only problem is that we've been trying to fill the position and have an attorney.
Right, and I empathize with you. I empathize with you. That's got to be frustrating.
Yeah,
but I don't understand why Golden is setting 4 court dates when I don't even have a public defender assigned to me. That's in my eyes abusive. That's a financial gain on his part, as he's the only judge there. And I don't understand why Oneonta isn't getting another judge with more compassion and decency towards people. I literally had somebody, certain person who works for the county jail yesterday, telling other people, the other people who were being seen in court, that they don't agree with what's being had. Like, this judge is sending people to jail for non-jail offenses. This is corruption. This is not okay. Why is this judge doing this to the population? And yet,
I'm not sure.
And yet, somebody who's a known.
And I think they get voted, and I'm not sure.
Well, I certainly did not vote for this one, and he was, again, my public defender in the past, and I thought I sent you guys an email. I was given Mueller's email by this office, which is very strange.
That wasn't me, so I'm not sure.
No, I don't know who it was. I just know it was by this office instead of the county public defender's email, which I had to go and find myself. So,
was it an attorney that gave it to you?
No, it was
someone. I'm typically the only one who answers the phone.
Well, I don't know who it was then, but I was given Mueller's email.
Maybe it was out. Maybe I was out that day and someone else did. I'm not sure.
I don't know, but I don't appreciate being in the district attorney's email. I'm assuming by a mistake. I really hope that was a mistake, whoever did that.
Yeah, I'm not sure, because that's not an email I would give out.
I would hope not. That's entirely the wrong email.
No.
Not that I mind giving the district attorney my complaints, but it's not who I meant to file them with. But I already filed my complaints with the 6th District Supreme Court. So, I'm just going to continue to file complaints, and I want to give you guys the opportunity to do the right thing in the situation. I don't want to complain on you if you're doing the right thing by me. So I just want to verify that you guys are doing your best to help me.
We are. The problem is that there's a shortage of attorneys in the county.
I'm aware.
And that's what's causing our issue.
I do believe Aaron Dean was the one I spoke to when I was seen by Laughlin. And I do believe he was the one who told me, wow, this situation sounds really messed up. You totally deserve a right to a trial. And I believe he was the one who, had things. I don't blame him for resigning. If he was assigned to me after this wasp's nest landed in his lap and he already knew that I've been violated, I wouldn't want to cover that either as an attorney. Like, it's a huge risk to my career.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah, we're currently waiting to see if we have this attorney that will be able to continuously be the only one for the clients at city court.
okay.
Last I heard, they were just waiting to hear back from him, and that was yesterday.
Okay, because this is ridiculous. 4 court case, like four dates? And he did this to me last time. He did this to me last time. And he milked it. Golden is milking the court cases. This is not okay to do to people.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know if I can complain to you guys officially or not, but if I can, please consider this an official complaint.
Okay.
Or I'll come down and file one. You need me to come file one? Like, I'll come down to you now that I have a car again.
Yeah, do you know when your next court date is?
I believe the paper is right here. Yes, ma'am. November 22nd, 8:45 a.m. And they really need to stop telling me to show up at 8:45 a.m. and then not start the court proceedings until 9:15.
Yeah, so what happens with that is they have everyone come at 8:45 because they have to conference, and that gives everybody time to
They
get
conferenced for over 2 hours yesterday, and then they made me the very last person at court be seen after all of the people who are in jail and don't have jobs and whatnot to go to. No, this court has been completely inconsiderate of my time. And if I don't start getting consideration for my time, because I'm trying to launch a business as an epoxy artist, I'm also trying to launch a business as my own self-published music artist. And I've already released content under a certain YouTube channel of Oneonta Police Department being absolutely fucking terrible to me over the years. And I just checked last night, 81,000 views on one video. I have released this information, and the world is now watching. I would hope that Oneonta would start to do the right thing and help me, because for telling a kid to leave me alone and stop stalking me, I've not done any wrong. I have every right to tell this kid to piss off and stop being a creep. I literally had to stick a dildo on my desk to get him and his friends to stop staring in my window. It worked, and I'm not doing anything wrong because it's in my house. It's not up against the window. It's in a way that you won't even see it if you're not being a peeping Tom. So, I just want to be left alone in my house. I'm not doing anything wrong, and I really would appreciate you guys helping me because I don't deserve.
We're doing the best we can. We're just trying to fill that spot is not easy.
I get it. And Golden doesn't make it easy. When I was trying to find an attorney on my own, the guy who backed out literally called him an asshole first time I called him.
Yeah, the issue was that we had not only Aaron resign, but we had one attorney retire at the same time.
Ooh.
And then another attorney a week before Aaron was done had also resigned. So our main priority was filling the chief position because that was crucial at that point.
Okay. No blame there. You got to do what you got to do. I totally understand.
Yeah, we need the chiefs to run the office, so.
I am just begging for somebody to help me because I literally have 3 videos of me calling 911 that night. And they're saying at 9:55 p.m. I yelled at Kai Macy Eyes. No, I didn't. I yelled at the police, and they were literally shining lights straight into my eyes. I didn't even know the kid was there. So this needs to be dismissed. This is bogus, and I am being harassed, and I'm ready to sue Oneonta, Otsego County over it. I don't want to. I want to go work on my stuff. I want to go find a job as an audio engineer, videographer.
You're not due back in court for a little over a month.
No, it's under a month, but yeah, about 3.5 weeks. But yeah, it's the fact that my time yesterday, 4 hours, he made me the last court case. This judge is being abusive towards me. I've already filed abuse complaints against him. He was already my public defender and showed me complete lack of passion when Lucy Bernier was judge. Judge Bernier was more kind and compassionate towards me than this guy was as my own public defender. This is not okay. He needs to be removed from my case. I need an impartial judge as well. I've asked this over and over again. So if you guys can please help with that.
Being about a month away, hopefully we will have that attorney ready to go by that point.
Okay, well, I'm also asking you guys to help me get him to recuse himself because he's refused. I've put in complaints.
We need the attorney to do that. We can't do it.
Okay, all right. Well, he did get asked by the one who saw me, who was sitting with me in court, not yesterday, but the previous.
Which day was it?
He said he was somebody here said he was assigned to me for that day, and I thought he was.
Was it last week?
VanBuren? Was it VanBuren? Andrew VanBuren?
Might have been.
Is that okay? I think that's the name. That's the name that's coming to me.
Okay.
So, I thought you guys meant he was assigned to me. I guess you meant he was assigned to me for the day.
No, he was covering court that
right.
day. Right now, it's
totally misunderstood.
Most of the time,
and that's
we
fine.
have a different attorney that's been going, but he was unavailable that day, so another one had to step in.
Right. So I did ask Andrew VanBuren to ask Judge Golden to recuse himself. Golden refused. He basically accused me of being a liar in court, despite me presenting the evidence of his daughter liking my Facebook post. I don't know his daughter. She stalked me. So that's really creepy. And then I thought I sent you guys the email about Laughlin and Golden duressing me, but I guess I sent it to the district attorney. I don't know. I'll forward that to you or whatever.
Okay.
I'll go back in and forward that stuff to you. I need to go get breakfast, though, because honestly, I need to do some self-care stuff before I deteriorate again, because I'm already getting stress sick from all of this bullshit. Excuse my language.
Okay.
I have panic disorder. I am a person with disabilities, so this abuse against me is also exacerbating my mental health issues. I will be suing the county for this if it continues. I don't want to. I just want to be left alone so I can build my life. I was homeless at 22. I deserve a chance to have a career. I built up from nothing. I deserve a chance. I don't need to be harassed and violated in my own home. And you know what? I finally my car was totaled and I got insurance money that I used part of to put up a security camera. Now that I've put up the security camera, no one wants to bother me. No one. They don't want to skateboard anywhere near my house. They don't want to leave trash on my car or in my driveway or in my lawn. The only thing they seem to want to do is walk their dog very quietly now past my house. But before 5:30 in the morning, they were waking me and my downstairs neighbor up, Victoria. She's a beautiful young lady who works at Springbrook. She's so sweet. Like, even if this city hates me, Victoria's done nothing wrong. She doesn't deserve to be harassed with me. You know what I mean? Like, even if people hate me here and think I deserve this, Victoria doesn't. Anyway, thank you for hearing me out and filling me in. I appreciate your time.
Go get breakfast and take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am, and thank you so much. You have a great day.
You're welcome. You too.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.